Hey, this is Nathaniel coming to you with another video. This time we're comparing our unit rates. We know how to find them. We're finding one because that's what we know what unit means. One. This time we have two people or two situations, and we're trying to figure out who can do it more quickly, who has basically the better unit rate. So number one says Sebastian is able to complete 14 math problems in 21 minutes, but Gabriel is able to complete 36 math problems in 1 hour. Determine how many problems each student can complete in 1 minute, and who can complete the most problems. So let's start with Sebastian. And we know what unit rate we have to divide. So it says that in 21 minutes, he can complete 14 problems. So we have to divide to figure out how many problems he can do per minute. Now, Gabriel, his stuff is in an hour, but we need to know, you should know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So we're going to take 60 minutes and we're going to divide that into the 36 problems that he can complete to figure out how many he can do per minute. So let's do that. So we have 21 on the inside, 14 on the outside. 14 is not on our multiplication chart, but we can list our multiples of 14. We just keep adding 14 each time. So 14 and 14 is 28. Then add another 14, which is 42. Then add another 14, which is 56. Then add another 14, which is 70. And we're going to stop there. 14 and the 21 is one time because we can't go past the 14. I'm going to subtract 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have 7. I have to add a decimal and then the 0 because we're done with the whole numbers. So I'm going to bring down the 70. I see 70 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took 5 times. So that means that Sebastian can do 1.5 problems per minute. Per 1 minute. Now let's look at Gabriel. We have to divide 36 into 60. So we just need to figure out what 36 times 2 is. And that's 72. I'm going to keep adding 36 each time. That's 108. So let's just start there. It goes in there one time. I'm going to subtract 36 and I get 24. I'm going to add a decimal and a 0 because we are done with the whole numbers and I have to bring the decimal up. So now I got to figure out how many times it goes into 240. I'm just going to keep adding 36 each time. 6 and 8 is 14. That's a 4 and that's a 1. I'm going to add 36 again. And I got 180. I'm going to add 36 again. That gives me 216. I'm going to add 36 again. 2, 5, 2. So that's too much. So I'm going to stop at 216, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to subtract. And I have 24. And I'm going to add another 0. And it seems like it's going to keep repeating. So that means that he can do 1.6 problems per minute. So who can do more problems quickly? It seems like Gabriel can do more problems quickly because he's doing 1.6 versus the 1.5 that Sebastian is doing. So Gabriel, he wins. He can do the most problems. So what you're expected to do is to do the unit rate for each one of these problems. Number 2, I will read it for you. Diego drove 64 miles and used 2 gallons of gas. Jasmine drove 36 miles and used 1 gallon of gas. Determine how many miles each person drove per 1 gallon of gas. Who drove more fuel efficiently? So you have to find the unit rate for Diego. And then find the unit rate for Jasmine. And then figure out Who had the better fuel efficiency? Then we have Luna. Number 3, Luna's home computer downloads an 18 megabyte program in 1 minute. Nama's or Nehemiah's home computer takes 42 seconds to download a 10 megabyte program. Determine how many megabytes each computer downloads per second. Who computers downloads the fastest? With this one, I only want you to go through number 5. I will read number 4 for you if you need it. Number 4 is Diego went fishing and caught 28 fish in 7 hours. Logan went fishing for 9 hours and caught 27 fish. Determine how many fish each person caught per hour. Who caught the most fish quickly? Then number 5, Kayla travels for 81 minutes to visit a friend who lives 6 miles away. Adriana travels 5 minutes to visit a friend, and it takes 81 minutes to get there. Determine how many miles each person travels in 1 minute. Who travels more rapidly? So you have your 5 problems. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and who is traveling faster, doing their homework faster. That's what Unirate is about, figuring out that. All right. See you later. Bye.